Hello, hope you are having a good day. Let's look at the top crypto news from across the world. First up, Bitcoin falls under $30,000 as US inflation hits 40-year high. Bitcoin fell under the $30,000 level once again following the latest Consumer Price Index (CPI) report from the US revealed that inflation has hit a 40-year high. According to the analysis, the annual CPI rate rose to 8.6%, the highest it has been since December 1981. Consumer Price Index is a tool designed to measure the percentage change in prices of everyday items commonly bought by households. The CPI serves as an indicator of inflation in most economies. The panic from the worst inflation numbers in decades might have indeed triggered a slight BTC sell-off that dragged the leading crypto below $30,000. However, perhaps the dip was expected as analysts have established a correlation between Bitcoin and traditional equity markets like stocks. Bloomberg Terminal expands crypto coverage to top 50 coins. Bloomberg has expanded its terminal service to include 50 crypto assets in a bid to provide better data to its clients in the institutional investment space. Popular cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Solana are among those included. Terminal clients will now be able to monitor intraday pricing for these cryptos, indices, and futures contracts in real time. Bloomberg Terminal originally began offering data on Bitcoin prices in 2013. Then, in 2018, the company expanded terminal coverage to the top 10 crypto assets by market capitalization, due to increased institutional interest. Listing criteria include assessments of institutional custody support, trading access, market capitalization, and consistency of turnover. Mastercard adds the Sandbox, Nifty Gateway, Mintable, to Simple NFT purchase scheme. Mastercard has announced that it's teaming up with several non-fungible token NFT marketplaces to bring its payments network to Web3, making it possible to purchase NFTs with its debit and credit cards. According to a blog post, the NFT marketplaces partnering with Mastercard include Immutable X, Candy Digital, The Sandbox, Mintable, Spring and Nifty Gateway, as well as Web3 infrastructure provider MoonPay. The integration will enable users to purchase NFTs in an easier and safer manner by using their cards, rather than crypto, to complete the transaction. Combined, these marketplaces generated more than $25 billion in sales in 2021. From art to sports to video games to collectibles to metaverse platforms, according to Mastercard. We're working with these companies to allow people to use their Mastercard cards for NFTs purchases, whether that's on one of these companies' NFT marketplaces or using their crypto services, said Rajta Madharan, Executive Vice President of Digital Asset Blockchain Products and Partnerships at Mastercard. According to Madharan, with 2.9 billion Mastercard cards issued worldwide, this change could have a big impact on the NFT ecosystem. U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen, crypto is not suitable option for retirement. Janet Yellen, an American economist who serves as the 78th U.S. Secretary of Treasury, believes people should not rely on investing in cryptocurrencies as part of their retirement strategy. In her view, the asset class is very risky, while Congress should advise broad society about the danger. Additionally, the Treasury Secretary opined it would be wise if Congress observed the matter and explained which assets could be added to retirement options, such as 401k plans. In April this year, one of the largest asset managers in the world, Fidelity Investments, announced it will enable investors to add Bitcoin to their retirement 401k plans. Dave Gray, a top executive at the firm, explained the company's decision saying, Fidelity believes that blockchain technology and digital assets are going to be a much larger part of the financial industry's future. Huobi Global launches $1 billion investment arm focused on DeFi and Web3. Digital asset exchange Huobi Global has spun out a new investment arm focused on decentralized finance DeFi and Web3 projects, further highlighting venture capital interest in the blockchain economy. Dubbed Ivy Blocks, the new investment arm has over $1 billion in crypto assets under management to deploy, a spokesperson for Huobi confirmed. These funds have been earmarked for identifying and investing in promising blockchain projects, the company said. In addition to financing, Ivy Blocks will offer various services to selected projects, including an asset management platform, a new blockchain incubator, and a dedicated research arm. The firm's asset management department will provide liquidity investments to help DeFi and Web3 projects get up and running, according to Lily Zhang, Webby Global's chief financial officer. Ivy Blocks on Friday also announced that Capricorn Finance, an automated market maker built on the Cube blockchain, was the first project to receive funding. Binance Labs among backers of $7.6 million round for Discord game Tatsumiko. Tatsumiko, a Discord-first fantasy massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, has completed a $7.6 million seed funding round co-led by Defiance Capital, Delphi Ventures, and Bitcraft Ventures. The capital will be used to continue development on the game, which will be released on the Ethereum and Solana blockchains. Other participants in the round included Binance Labs, Animoca Brands, Dialectic, and GuildFi, among others. The Discord playable game will be available on mobile and the web. The game comes from the team who launched Tatsu.gg, which specializes in Discord bots promoting community gamification and engagement. In the longer term, the game plans to expand to other social platforms like QQ, WeChat, and Telegram, and to multiple communities on Ethereum and Solana. Thank you for joining us today. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with Crypto World.